Hi, in this video I will show you why use third-party plugins with Adobe Audition. Please keep an open mind that Adobe Audition can solve many issues in your audio which you have been struggling for years. So keep an open mind, and the original video will start now with AI narrated voice.
When you first start working with Adobe Audition, it's easy to feel like you already have everything you need. It's a powerful DAW. It comes with noise reduction tools, EQs, compressors, and even effects like de-essers, declickers, and mastering presets. And for many people, especially beginners, that's enough to get started. But as your standards go up, as you start listening more critically to your voice, and as you begin delivering work for clients, platforms, or audiobook publishers like Audible or Find a Way, something happens. You start noticing things you didn't before. Maybe your audio sounds clean, but still a little hollow. Or your background noise is gone, but the voice still doesn't feel present. Or worse, your audio sounds overprocessed because you pushed the native tools too hard trying to fix problems, but they were not that good. This is exactly where third-party plugins come in. Adobe Audition is a host application for audio recording and editing. Its primary focus is to help you with audio editing and keep the process as smooth as possible. It has been doing that job excellently for the last 20 years. However, when it comes to solving a practical problem in audio, different kinds of research and development are needed. Third-party plugin companies can put in the effort required for such research and development. So they tend to work better in solving many issues that bother us. Now, there are so many plugin companies or vendors out there. It is essential to understand which vendor is best suited for which problem. There are some ways to figure out which plugin is best for an issue, and we will learn that process. So, what are third-party plugins? They're external tools, developed by companies like iZotope, Waves, Supertone, and Acon Digital, that integrate seamlessly inside Adobe Audition. Think of them as specialized assistants. Instead of using a one-size-fits-all toolkit, you're now calling on experts to do one job, and do it really well. For example, iZotope RX is one of the most trusted tools in the entire audio industry. It can remove mouth clicks and hums with astonishing accuracy. Waves Clarity VX uses real-time machine learning to clean up room noise with a single dial, often better than anything built into your DAW. We will explore different plugins one by one. But here's the key point. Third-party plugins aren't about making things fancy. They're about solving real-world audio problems faster, more accurately, and with less damage to your voice. In many cases, it works better than the built-in effects of Adobe Audition. It's about using the best tool for the task. If you are into professional voiceover or audiobook narration, your audio has to be top quality. Many third-party plugins can assist you based on your situation. It is not about one size fits all, so you need to be educated on what will work for you and what will not. Plugins won't make bad audio good. They won't save you from a poor recording environment or sloppy editing habits. But when used properly, they can turn good audio into great audio. They can polish your work, boost your confidence, and help you compete with professionals who've been doing this for years. And the good news is, you don't need to learn dozens of them, and you don't need to buy before you know if you need them. In the upcoming lessons, I'll walk you through the exact plugins I recommend, how to install them, and most importantly, when to use them and when to skip them. Let's dive in.
So congrats that you have completed watching this video, and this video is actually part of my Adobe Audition course for voiceover and audiobook narration. And you can get that course if you get this Adobe Audition bundle. With this Adobe Audition bundle, you will get that course, and you will also get 5 pre-built presets that will make your sound better in just a click in Adobe Audition. You will also get a customized EQ and preset from me. So everything is included in this bundle, and you can purchase this bundle from this Patreon page. I will share the link in the description and the pinned comment. So thanks for watching, and you will also find my email. You will also find my mailing list in the description. So please feel free to subscribe. Thanks.